Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life and you are staying safe at home. So before this lockdown, this online education and online learning was not so much trending. But once after this lockdown, one very positive thing happened in all of our lives, that is online learning. Now it is so trending, we are studying everything online. But I was taking my online classes before this lockdown too, and I thought about sharing this thing. So today I would be talking about one online learning platform which is actually very useful to me, and I would really love to share it with all of you. So the name of the platform is edX, and this is an online learning platform, and it is founded by MIT and Harvard itself. Yes, you heard it right. So an app which is founded by Harvard and MIT itself. It's a wonderful platform. I have been taking classes from there itself. So there are various courses and it is amazing. The presentation style, there is assignments associated with it. There are ample of questions. There are various study materials which they have introduced. So there is a basic course. The entire package is very beautifully covered. The classes are very well presented, and in case you want to take a certificate, you have to pay amount. There is a so you have to pay that particular amount. Once that specific amount is paid, you are now entitled to even get that certificate course. I have completed many courses. Since I am a law student, I have completed many courses from Harvard Law School, and since I did not want a certificate, I just wanted to add on my study thing. So I have completed everything without a certificate. But in case you want a certificate, there is a very minimal amount. It ranges to something 6,000 to 7,000. And once your entire course is complete, they will provide you with that certificate too. So I really found it very interesting. And in this lockdown, I really wanted to tell all of you, because I firmly believe the purpose of education is not just to enlighten, but also it's very amazing if you can share your learning or your knowledge to a lot of people. With this, I would like to conclude my video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much.